Welcome to today's video where we'll be looking at the absolute beast of a vehicle that is this Land Rover Defender 110. Now this is a special one and it's actually a Khan modified Defender. Now we get loads of these in here and it's for one very specific installation. Now we've carried that out today on this vehicle as well as a whole host of other upgrades, but the star of the show certainly is the head unit. So what we've got in there is the Kenwood DMX 8021 head unit, and it's one that we absolutely love installing in these Defenders. It really suits the overall fascia, but just adds that modern functionality to an otherwise absolutely brutal vehicle. Now, it's going to give you things like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but not just that, it's also making them fully wireless. So as soon as I step in this car, as soon as I turn it on, my phone will connect. I'll have my Apple Maps, my Google Maps, Spotify and Apple Music all loaded up on my screen, playing through what would be the factory speakers. Now that leads me on to the second upgrade we've added to this car, and that is with our partner brand Cambridge Car Audio. So what we've gone is for the Audison Prima front end upgrade in this vehicle, giving it that clear, defined and crisp sound quality that you'd be expecting from any vehicle, but especially one like this. Now it's becoming a really popular upgrade to do these head unit upgrades, but as well as that, on a vehicle as big as this, parking, it is an issue, especially with our roads being so small and parking spaces being even smaller. Parking something like this is a very difficult task. So we've managed to solve that problem pretty much completely by adding two separate upgrades. So as well as installing the Kenwood head unit, we've also added in the functionality of a reversing camera. So as soon as we go into reverse in this car, we get a really nice display up on the screen. And we've also managed to include some grid lines for you, just to help parking a vehicle as large as this. Now, as well as the reversing camera, what we've added onto this vehicle is rear parking sensors. Obviously, with something like this, visibility out of the back is never that good. And having the rear parking sensors there really helps you spot where you are if there's any obstacles in your way. Now, if you're interested in similar installs such as what we've done on this Defender or anything else as part of our catalogue, feel free to get in touch with either myself or my team and we can help you get this done on your vehicle. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, feel free to like this one and subscribe to see future content just like this. But I hope you've enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Thank you.